Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to turn off automatic app updates in iPhone. Go to the iPhone settings. Scroll down and find the option iTunes and App Stores. Tap on this. This is the iTunes and App Stores settings. Here you can see in the automatic download section, apps and updates are enabled. That means whenever any updates or app updates are available, it will download automatically. Now toggle up this button to disable this. That's it. Your automatic download of apps and updates are disabled. So in this way you can turn off automatic app updates in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.